Welcome to our Excel training. In order to create pivot tables, one of our most important reporting tools in Microsoft Excel, we first need to look at the headings in the lists we have. There must be headings in the list where we want to create a pivot table. There should be no empty rows or columns in between, dear friends. To create a pivot table, all you need to do is click inside the table and then click the Pivot Table button from the Insert menu. After clicking the Pivot Table button, let's say OK without making any changes in the window that opens. And in our new page that opens, we will see the pivot table on the left side. We will create the pivot table on the right side using our headings. When you click outside this right side, it disappears. It appears when you come back inside the area where we created the pivot table. For example, it appears according to years. If we want to list product sales, we put the product name here in rows. Look, our product names and codes have arrived. When you put the sales amount here in the total values, you will see that our values have received sales according to stocks. If we do not get this according to years, when you drag and drop the date value, bring it to the columns and drop it, it will see that the sales by years have also come in this way. Here, when you click the right button in our table and sort it from largest to smallest by saying Sort in the Grand Total section, the table values are sorted from largest to smallest. In this way, we can easily see the lists where we made the most sales and the ones where we made the least sales.